ग्रामीण मित्र सेवेचो लाव आता थेट 14471 हेल्पलायन नंबराचेर फोन करून गोंयकारांक मेळटलो। गोंय सरकाराच्यो 179 येवजण्यो लोकां मेरेन पावच्यो म्हणून सरकारान ग्रामीण मित्र चालीक लायला। ह्या सेवेक आनीक घटमूट करपा खातीर IT खात्याच्या जोडपालवान ग्रामीण मित्र सेवा आता आनीक सक्षम केल्या।
The objective behind Gramin Mitra is how to deliver the government services to the doorsteps of the citizen. So by taking this objective, Department of IT has tied up with CSC SPV, which is a Government of India special purpose vehicle, where IT department and CSC SPV came together and it conceived the entire concept of Gramin Mitra, so that whosoever wants to services, they can call our Gramin Mitra, our call center, that is 14471, so that anybody, for example, I want any services, cash certificate, residence certificate, income certificate, which are all already notified in the Goa online services. At present in Goa online we are providing 179 services of the Goa government itself. Apart from that, Government of India services also enlisted in the CSC SPV, CSC VLEs, and we are all aware of that. At present, Government of Goa itself is running almost 8 full-fledged common service centers. Apart from that, 437 VLEs across the Goa has been registered. So by using these services at the grassroots level, any citizen wants to avail any services, they don't need to come to government offices. Rather than government is reaching to the doorsteps of the citizen. That is the objective. So whosoever wants any services, they will call our call center, that is 1447, and subsequently they will book the slot for particular any of the to avail any of the Government of Goa services. Then based on that, our Gramin Mitra who sits at the call center, then they will reply what are the documents are required for the citizen to avail any particular services. Then accordingly they will book the slot, and our Gramin Mitra will go to their doorstep and they will fill application form, and subsequently after completion of the total formalities procedure, then they will deliver to the doorsteps. This is the Gramin Mitra concept.